Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the Samsung Internet search engine to YouTube search on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. Next, you want to tap on the menu key at the bottom. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, tap on Address Bar Search. Next, from the list here, select YouTube as a default search engine. And then tap on the back key to go back to your browser app. Now, if you go to the URL bar, or you can just go in the search address bar up here, you can put in the keyword that you want to search for. So let's say I'm going to put in the keyword test, and then tap on the go button. And now it will use YouTube search as a search engine. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.